Hello guys, today our activity is pegging, and this activity is done by a very little boy Ahmad. He is only 26 months old and he doing this activity very well. So Montessori children showed tremendous progress into academics and each achievement was like a sudden explosion. The children were too young to be sent in a school, yet they literally began to be taught how to read and write. They learned to do so quickly and using special manipulative materials. Montessori just kept on noticing this activity and the children and developed manipulatives accordingly. The other area which fascinated the children was numbers. To respond to their interest, the mathematically inclined doctor developed a series of centered math learning materials, and Montessori discovered an unlimited potential in children to learn. They began to show interest in other areas as well. This compelled the already overworked Dr. Montessori to spend night after night designing new materials to keep pace with the children in geometry, geography, history, science, EPL, sensorial. Montessori discovered that her children showed more interest in academics, manipulatives rather than toys. She made this discovery shortly after her first school opened, when a group of well-intentioned women gave the children a collection of lovely toys and expensive toys. The children took profound interest in those new gifts for a few days, but they soon returned to their learning materials. And she also found that children generally preferred work over play, at least during the school day. And as you know, and you are watching now, this guy is much keen interest in this activity, and he is doing this activity alone, and he is very keen interest to do this activity. So I appreciate this boy. He is very intelligent at this age because we provide him a very friendly environment and a freedom of choice as he select his own activity and do this activity during this video. Thank you so much.